Okay, write the linear equation. Bubba Bob has 20 bucks. This is our starting number in it. He earns $2 each time he walks the dog. That's our growing number. Write a linear function that represents this. You could use y equals gx plus s. Okay, so this is going to be y equals 2x plus 20. So if I were to graph this, it would start at 20 and go up, right? Okay. So the x-intercept, it does not have an x-intercept, doesn't it? Because he's not spending the money. The x-intercept would be $0. He's never going to have $0 in this. The y-intercept is going to be the starting amount, which is 20 bucks. And it represents the initial amount of money. Let's go to the next one. Bubba J has 60 bucks. This is our starting number. He wants to win a giant stuffed possum at the fair. To win the stuffed pet, he must toss a ring on top of a Coke bottle. Each try costs $1.50. This is going to be my growing number, but it's going to go down in it. Write an equation that represents a situation. So I'm going to have y equals gx plus s. My growing number is $1.50, but it's going to go down in it. Plus 60, and this is going to be x. So if I had a graph of this, I'm going to start off at 60 bucks and I'm going to go down until I get to here. This is going to be $0. And so if I divide 150 into 60, I'm going to get 40. Okay, so it's going to be 40 comma 0. I'm sorry. So this order pair would be 40 comma 0. So after 40 tries, I'm going to have $0. I get that by dividing. So 60 divided by 1.5 equals 40. So after 40 tries, I got $0. So my x-intercept is 40 comma 0, and it's going to be when I run out of money. And then my y-intercept is 60, and it's equal to the initial amount of money. Okay, stated there appears to be a positive correlation, a negative correlation, or no correlation. A positive correlation goes up, a negative correlation goes down, and no correlation is no pattern. This is real simple stuff. So right here, there's no pattern in the dots. So this would have no pattern or no correlation. This right here has a negative correlation. As x increases, y decreases. Right here, as x increases, y decreases. This also would be a negative correlation. Right here, as x increases, so does y. So this would have a positive correlation. So a positive correlation is when the x and y increase. A negative correlation is when the x increases but the y decreases.